Welcome back. October is Dyslexia Awareness Month, and some Brooklynites enrolled the help of the daughter of Muhammad Ali, who had dyslexia, to help spread the word and help others like him.
News 12 Brooklyn's Tori Singer has more from Cobble Hill.
Dyslexia is all about the way your brain processes information, and for many, even boxing champion Muhammad Ali, it's a condition that can go undiagnosed. That's why students and faculty here at Mary McDowell Friends School are coming together to change the stigma about dyslexia. Today marks the first ever Dyslexia Diagnosis Day, a national initiative focusing on the need to educate people about dyslexia and screen more young kids for this learning disorder. People like Miya want others to know their diagnosis doesn't define them.
Well, I think with him having dyslexia and others knowing about that, I think it'll make you feel special to know that you're not the only one with this, and special people have dyslexia.
Coming up later tonight, hear more from Miya, Muhammad Ali's daughter. She and her dad both suffered from dyslexia. Learn what's being done to help more kids get inspired and to rise above the challenge of their diagnosis. In Cobble Hill, Tori Singer, News 12, Brooklyn.